Alright, so here we have massive root intrusion. Roots are not supposed to come through plastic lines. So obviously we are either broken here. Oh, we're gone.
Wow.
Entire pipe is gone here. And it has just been creating a sinkhole underneath while people are flushing. Yep, this line is broken. Yeah, I'm just going to fall into that abyss. I can't even finish. Say that is one of the most broken lines I have ever seen. Gone. Is it one?
Yeah, it's just like drops off.
Yeah, it's just like, so you got a big void, dude, and it just drops straight into the ground.
So it's probably the pipe probably slipped.
Look, dude, that's just a giant hole. It's gone on the top too, because we got all these roots on the top. Like, we're just missing a giant section of pipe. Okay, so 99 feet.
PVC piping.
99 feet out, this line is broken. We do have a giant hole underneath, and we are missing a whole section of pipe. This will need to be excavated and repaired.